Hey everyone, welcome back to FixSoft. In this video, I'll show you how to install Windows 10 on any PC or laptop from start to finish. This guide is made especially for beginners, so even if you have never installed Windows before, you can easily follow along. We'll cover everything step by step. First, we'll download Windows 10. Then we'll create a bootable USB. After that, we'll install Windows, set up the disk properly, and complete the first-time setup. This method still works, even if you're watching this video later, so don't worry. Alright, let's start with the first step. First, you'll need the Windows 10 ISO file. Open your browser and search for Windows 10 ISO download. Then go to the official Microsoft website. Keep in mind that Windows 10 support has ended, and Microsoft may eventually remove the download page entirely. If that happens and you're unable to find the ISO file, leave a comment and I'll share it with you. At the moment, the Windows 10 ISO download section may not be visible on the site. However, there's a simple trick you can use to make it appear again. Just right-click anywhere on the free space and choose Inspect. The Inspect panel will appear. Now click on this mobile view icon here, and page will convert in mobile view. After that, refresh the page. After refreshing, close the Inspect panel. Now, if we scroll down, you can see that ISO download section has appeared. Now from drop-down, choose Windows 10 ISO file and then click Confirm. Now choose your language, and again, click Confirm. Finally, click 64-bit download button and ISO file will start downloading. The file is around 5.7 GB, so it may take some time to download. Since I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to cancel this download. Now, we will download an app called Rufus. Rufus is a small app that helps to make our USB bootable. For that, go to your search bar and search for Rufus. Open this website. Now scroll down and download its latest version. It's a small app, so it will download quickly. When your both files are downloaded, then go to your Downloads folder. Now open Rufus. When Rufus opens, plug in a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB storage. Your USB drive will automatically appear in Rufus. In Boot Selection, click Select and choose your Windows 10 ISO file. Leave Image option as standard Windows installation. Now, you'll see an option called Partition Scheme. Choose GPT for modern PCs with UEFI and choose MBR for older systems with legacy. If you are not sure about your PC's partition scheme, then simply right-click on Windows icon and open Disk Management. Now right-click on the drive where Windows is installed, which is always Disk 0. Right-click and open Properties. Now, go to Volume tab. Here, you will find Partition Style as. Mine is GPT, so I will choose that. If you see Master Boot Record, Then choose MBR in Rufus. After that, write a name for bootable USB flash drive. You can write anything, like Windows 10 bootable USB. Now, leave all other settings as it is and click Start. You might see a warning related to secure boot. This is normal for Windows 10 and not an error. Rufus may ask if you want to create a local account. You can enable this option if you want to use Windows without a Microsoft account. Click OK to continue. Confirm the USB format warning. Rufus will now start creating the bootable USB. This will take some time, so wait until it finishes. Once done, close Rufus. Now our USB is ready. If I go to my PC, you can see the USB drive has successfully converted to bootable USB drive. Now, if you want to install Windows on your PC or laptop, then follow next steps. First, restart your PC and enter the boot menu. When PC turns on, immediately press the boot key. Common keys are F2, F12, delete or escape key. This depends on your PC brand. From the boot menu, select your USB flash drive and press Enter. Your PC will now boot into the Windows 10 setup. When the setup starts, choose your language, time, and currency format and keyboard layout. After that, click Next. Then click Install Now. Windows will ask you for product key to activate Windows. If you have a product key, enter that here. Otherwise, click I don't have a product key. Next, choose Windows edition you want, like Home Education or Pro. I will go with Windows 10 Pro. Accept the license terms and continue. Choose Custom Install, Windows Only. Now you'll see all available drives and partitions. If this PC already has Windows installed, you will see different partitions. Select each existing partitions and delete them. Continue until you see unallocated space like this, select the unallocated space, and click Next. Now, Windows 10 installation will begin. Your PC will restart several times, so do not interrupt the process. Once installation finishes, Windows will ask for initial setup options. Select your country. Choose keyboard layout. Skip second keyboard if not needed. Click Setup for personal use. Choose an offline account. Choose an offline account. Continue with limited setup. Create a local account username. Set your privacy settings as per your preference. Windows will prepare the desktop. After a few minutes, you'll reach the Windows 10 desktop, and that's it. You have successfully installed Windows 10 on your PC or laptop. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching Fixsoft. See you in the next video.